What if Mars is hiding secrets we were never meant to uncover? NASA's Perseverance rover has sent back images and data that could change everything we know about the red planet, and not all of it was meant for our eyes. From hidden oceans beneath its surface to a magnetic mystery that could reveal why Mars became uninhabitable, the latest discoveries are raising more questions than answers. Could Mars still harbor life? Are we truly on the brink of unlocking its darkest secrets? The journey to Mars just got a lot more intriguing. A secret Mars image we weren't supposed to see. It's a moment that caught the world by surprise. NASA's Perseverance rover, part of a mission that's been years in the making, sends back a Mars image that wasn't supposed to be released to the public. This isn't just another image from the red planet, this one is shrouded in mystery, and its implications could alter everything we know about Mars. What's in the picture? Is it proof that Mars once harbored life? Or perhaps something far more sinister that NASA hasn't yet addressed? As the image rapidly spreads across the internet, experts and enthusiasts alike are left with more questions than answers. Perseverance has been transmitting images since it landed in Jezero crater, and many of these have been intriguing, but this one is different. While NASA has carefully curated the images they release, this particular one slipped through the cracks. The question on everyone's mind: why was this image sent back without the usual protocols? Some believe it could be an accidental leak, while others think it's deliberate, part of an agenda to challenge our understanding of Mars and its past. It's easy to speculate what could be hidden in the mysterious image. Some experts are already pointing to peculiar shapes or unusual formations in the photograph that seem out of place. If this image truly holds something revolutionary, it could be the breakthrough scientists have been waiting for. The image could be evidence of something never seen before on Mars, something that could shake the very foundation of our planetary knowledge. The rover's mission has always been to search for signs of ancient life, and scientists have long hypothesized that Mars was once a lush and vibrant world. If this image provides any indication of that, the ramifications could be mind-boggling. Could this image be proof of a civilization on Mars? Or perhaps something even more startling, a sign of alien life? But, as with all things related to NASA's Mars missions, there's a deeper mystery behind the image. Why would they have been so careful about the release of this particular shot? Was it because the discovery is too significant to be made public without more analysis? Or is there something the public isn't being told? One thing is clear: this image could be the key to unlocking a Martian mystery that's been hidden for centuries. Could this unexpected Mars image rewrite everything we know about the red planet? Stay tuned, because the truth might be far more shocking than we ever imagined. The technology behind the image. NASA's Perseverance rover is an engineering marvel, designed to be the most advanced rover ever sent to Mars. With over 2 decades of technological advancements fueling its journey, Perseverance has captured stunning high-definition images and invaluable data from the Martian surface. These images are no ordinary snapshots. They provide insights into Mars geology, weather patterns, and most importantly, its potential to have supported life in the past. The rover is equipped with 23 cameras, each with a specific mission. Some are designed for panoramic shots of the Martian landscape, while others take detailed close-ups of rocks, soil, and atmospheric conditions. What makes Perseverance unique, however, is its ability to capture high-resolution 3D images, enabling scientists to recreate Mars in ways we've never seen before. These images provide an unprecedented level of detail that could reveal ancient signs of water or even microbial life that may have once thrived on the planet. But it's not just the rover's cameras that are impressive, it's the rover itself. Perseverance is built to endure the harsh conditions of Mars, where temperatures can plummet to -130 degrees Fahrenheit and dust storms can rage for months. The technology that powers Perseverance ensures that it can collect data over a long duration, all while communicating back to Earth. It's this constant flow of data that has led to some of the most exciting findings about Mars, and the unexpected image is only the latest example of the rover's success. As impressive as the technology is, it's the application of this data that has captured the imagination of the world. The rover's images are helping us understand Mars in ways that weren't possible before. Through these photographs, scientists can analyze rock formations that might hold clues to the planet's past. Could they be signs of life? The Martian rocks Perseverance is investigating might contain organic material, a key indicator that Mars may have once been habitable. Yet, with all the success, one question remains unanswered: how much more is hidden in those images? Are there details buried in the high-resolution shots that NASA has yet to reveal? The rover's ability to capture images so detailed makes one wonder if we're only scratching the surface of Mars' mysteries. With all this advanced technology, what's NASA not telling us? Is there more hidden in those images than we're meant to know? A window into Mars' ancient past. Jezero crater is where Perseverance has been focusing its efforts, and it's no accident that this site was chosen for exploration. Scientists believe Jezero crater, once filled with water, holds the key to understanding whether life ever existed on Mars. The crater sits near the planet's equator, and it's thought to have once been home to a large lake. If life existed on Mars, Jezero would have been the perfect environment for it. The crater's history is rich with potential, offering scientists the opportunity to study Martian soil and rock formations that could contain evidence of ancient microbial life. But the real intrigue lies in the discovery that Perseverance's images and data are uncovering potential signs of life from billions of years ago. These discoveries could not only revolutionize our understanding of Mars but also challenge our beliefs about life beyond Earth. What makes Jezero so special is the fact that it holds both signs of ancient water and deposits that may have once been part of a river delta. These findings are crucial because water is one of the essential ingredients for life. If there was once liquid water in Jezero, it opens the door for the possibility that life existed there, in some form. And if that life was microbial, could it still be present in some form today? NASA's rover has been methodically collecting samples from Jezero's surface, examining the rocks and soil for organic molecules. These could be the building blocks of life. The mission to study these materials could provide groundbreaking evidence of Mars' potential to support life, and the results could be closer than we think. The rover's cameras have captured images of these samples, and it's possible that the mysterious image NASA wasn't supposed to reveal holds clues hidden within the rock formations. Despite the excitement, there are those who believe that the information we're seeing is only the beginning. The true significance of Jezero crater may take years to fully understand. But with each new image sent back by Perseverance, the stakes continue to rise. Could Jezero crater be hiding the ultimate secret to Mars' past? What if Perseverance just uncovered the most critical clue yet? Mars' little helicopter that could Ingenuity, the small helicopter that accompanies Perseverance, has exceeded all expectations. Initially, it was a test project designed to demonstrate the feasibility of powered flight on Mars, but what it has achieved has been nothing short of remarkable. With each successful flight, Ingenuity has provided Perseverance with aerial views of Mars that were previously impossible to capture. Its ability to scout the landscape from above gives the rover a crucial advantage in selecting its next targets for exploration. What's even more extraordinary is the fact that Ingenuity is operating in an environment that's vastly different from Earth. Mars has a thin atmosphere, which makes it extremely difficult for aircraft to generate lift. Yet, Ingenuity defied the odds and flew through Mars' thin atmosphere, providing valuable data that has helped shape the course of Perseverance's mission. This technological breakthrough demonstrates that, in the future, we may be able to use aerial drones to explore other planets in a way that was once unimaginable. But the role of Ingenuity goes beyond just providing breathtaking images. The helicopter has also been instrumental in scouting areas that Perseverance cannot easily reach on the ground. Its ability to fly over rough terrain and deliver real-time data to the rover has significantly accelerated the exploration of Mars. It's an essential tool that allows Perseverance to focus its energy on the most promising locations, saving valuable time and resources. The idea of using aerial drones for planetary exploration is a game-changer for NASA. Ingenuity's success could pave the way for future missions to use similar technology to explore other planets and moons in our solar system. If we can fly on Mars, the possibilities for exploring other celestial bodies seem endless. Ingenuity has opened up new horizons for space exploration, and its impact will likely be felt for decades to come. What other secrets is Ingenuity unlocking in Mars' skies? Could this tiny helicopter be the key to the next major discovery on the Red Planet? The challenges of Mars. While the success of Perseverance and Ingenuity has been a triumph for space exploration, the challenges of living on Mars are still immense. The Martian atmosphere is incredibly thin, and its surface is constantly bombarded by radiation from the sun. Temperatures on Mars can reach a chilling -130 degrees Fahrenheit, and dust storms can last for months. For any future human missions, these conditions present serious obstacles to long-term survival. NASA has long dreamed of sending humans to Mars, but it's clear that such a mission would require immense preparation. The technologies we use on Earth won't be enough to keep astronauts safe on the red planet. Everything from life support systems to habitats must be specifically designed to withstand the extreme Martian environment. Even something as simple as breathing would be a challenge. Mars lacks the oxygen we need, and any human settlement would need to create a habitable atmosphere. The lack of resources on Mars is another major hurdle. Unlike the Moon, Mars is distant, and its supplies of water and oxygen are limited. Any human mission would require innovative solutions for generating both oxygen and water from the planet's resources. This is a key area where Perseverance's data and Ingenuity's aerial reconnaissance could help. Identifying potential sites for resource extraction could be vital for any long-term mission. Despite these challenges, NASA is determined to make Mars exploration a reality. The data collected by Perseverance is helping to pave the way for human missions, providing valuable insights into the Martian environment. But the question remains, will humanity be able to overcome the odds and live on Mars? Only time will tell, but with each new discovery, we move one step closer to answering that question. Will humans ever set foot on Mars? The technology is advancing, but the obstacles are greater than we ever imagined. Could we conquer them in time? Why Perseverance's images are raising eyebrows. Since Perseverance's arrival on Mars, its high-definition images have become an essential part of our understanding of the planet. But as we delve deeper into these images, questions have arisen. Why are some of the rover's images being withheld, and why are certain features on Mars being scrutinized so carefully? NASA's incredible rover isn't just sending back photos of rocks and soil, it's transmitting something far more intriguing. A closer look at these images reveals strange formations, shadows, and structures that seem too perfectly aligned to be natural. One of the most controversial aspects of these images is the potential for what's being called unnatural structures, shapes, and arrangements that seem too deliberate for Mars' chaotic landscape. Could these formations be the remains of an ancient civilization? It's a possibility that some scientists are hesitant to fully embrace, while others wonder if NASA is keeping these discoveries under wraps until further analysis is done. It could be that they are just waiting for more data before confirming what might be the most important discovery in space history. The images taken by Perseverance often show textures, lines, and patterns that some experts argue resemble man-made structures, pyramids, walls, or even tools. These interpretations have sparked fierce debates within the scientific community. Could Mars have been home to an intelligent civilization in its distant past? And if so, what could this mean for humanity's place in the universe? As these images continue to emerge, NASA's interpretation, and their decision to release or withhold them, remains a point of contention. The most fascinating aspect of this revelation is the possibility that we may not be looking at natural features after all. If there are signs of ancient technology or alien life hidden in these images, it would challenge everything we know about the evolution of planets and intelligent life. But what's more troubling is the fact that some of these anomalies haven't been explained yet. Are they deliberately being kept from the public, or are they part of a larger mystery that we don't yet understand? With each passing day, more images are sent back to Earth, fueling speculation and excitement. The question is, how much longer will NASA keep the truth from us? And when they do finally reveal it, how will humanity react to the idea that we are not alone in the universe? Are we about to uncover proof that Mars once harbored life, or even civilization? The shocking truth could be hidden in Perseverance's images, and it might be more than we bargained for. Can we survive on Mars? As NASA continues its robotic exploration of Mars, the question on everyone's mind is, when will humans finally land on the red planet? While Perseverance and Ingenuity have been able to endure the harsh conditions of Mars, the challenges of sending humans to Mars are far greater. Mars is a hostile environment. With no breathable atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and constant radiation exposure, it seems like a place where human life cannot survive. Yet, NASA is determined to make human missions a reality, no matter how difficult the journey. One of the most immediate dangers astronauts will face on Mars is the lack of a protective atmosphere. Unlike Earth, which is shielded by a thick layer of gases, Mars is exposed to harmful solar radiation. Without adequate protection, this radiation could be deadly to any human settlers. Developing the technology to shield astronauts from these rays is one of NASA's biggest challenges in preparing for a manned mission. Another significant hurdle is Mars' lack of liquid water. Although scientists have found evidence of water ice beneath the surface, there's little available for human use. Any human mission would require innovative solutions for extracting and purifying water, and this is where the rover's data becomes essential. If Mars does hold accessible water reserves, it could be the key to sustaining human life on the planet. Perseverance's ongoing research is working to determine just how viable Mars is for long-term habitation. The Martian environment's extreme temperatures also pose a threat. With temperatures ranging from -130 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, surviving on Mars will require highly advanced technology. From insulated habitats to energy-efficient life support systems, every aspect of human life on Mars will require a complete redesign of our technology. Yet, NASA's innovations could pave the way for a new era of space exploration, one in which Mars is no longer a distant dream but a viable future. The idea of humans living on Mars is no longer just a fantasy, it's an objective that NASA is working tirelessly to achieve. With each mission, with each discovery, we come closer to the possibility of sending humans to Mars. But the question remains, are we truly ready to conquer Mars, or will it prove to be too dangerous for human survival? Will humans ever survive on Mars? The technology is advancing, but the Martian landscape is ruthless. Can we conquer the challenges ahead? Could Mars have supported organisms? Mars has always been one of the most tantalizing prospects in the search for life beyond Earth. With its history of liquid water, and its similarities to our own planet, many scientists believe that Mars might have once been capable of supporting life. But if life ever did exist on Mars, what kind of organisms could have lived there? And more importantly, how do we find them? NASA's Perseverance Rover is specifically designed to search for signs of past life on Mars. Its primary goal is to collect rock and soil samples from the planet's surface, which will be analyzed back on Earth for signs of organic molecules, chemicals that are considered the building blocks of life. The rover's work in Jezero crater is crucial because this ancient lakebed may have once held microbial life, and it is believed that this region could yield the first definitive evidence of life beyond Earth. But the search for life is not without its challenges. While the signs of past water on Mars are clear, determining whether life ever existed there is much harder. The Martian surface is harsh, with extreme temperatures and radiation, and it's likely that any traces of life would be deeply buried in the planet's crust. The Perseverance rover is designed to drill deep into the soil to extract these ancient records and provide answers to some of humanity's most profound questions. NASA's findings could revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. If life once existed on Mars, it would suggest that life could be more common in the cosmos than previously believed. This discovery would not only alter the course of scientific inquiry but could also have profound implications for our understanding of life here on Earth. As the rover continues its mission, the excitement builds. Could Mars hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of life in the universe? The evidence is mounting, and with each new discovery, we move closer to answering the ultimate question: we alone in the universe? Is Mars hiding the secret to life beyond Earth? Could Perseverance be on the verge of uncovering life's greatest mystery? Mars' hidden oceans. In all the excitement over Mars' surface, there's a growing theory that the planet might still harbor vast hidden oceans beneath its crust. For decades, we've been obsessed with the possibility of liquid water on the Martian surface. But what if the real treasure lies beneath the surface, deep within Mars' crust, where ancient oceans might still be trapped? New seismic data from NASA's rover missions is starting to hint at the potential for vast bodies of water hidden under layers of rock, raising a shocking possibility: Mars could have ancient oceans that are still intact. Recent studies suggest that the signs of water on Mars may not be as clear-cut as we once thought. Some geologists now believe that beneath Mars' surface lies a network of water pockets, underground lakes, rivers, and seas that could still harbor microbial life. In fact, Scientists are becoming increasingly convinced that these hidden oceans might be better candidates for finding signs of life than the surface ever was. With Mars' surface battered by radiation and extreme temperatures, any life that survived would most likely have sought shelter deep below ground, making these underground bodies of water the key to finding ancient Martian life. The idea of hidden oceans on Mars opens up a whole new frontier for exploration. Not only would it provide answers about the potential for life on Mars, but it could also reveal more about the planet's history. If liquid water existed underground, it could suggest that Mars once had a more dynamic and Earth-like environment, with an atmosphere capable of supporting life. Perseverance's current mission could provide crucial clues to this hidden ocean theory, especially as it collects soil and rock samples from Jezero crater, an area thought to be connected to ancient water flows. What's even more intriguing is the possibility that these hidden oceans might still be accessible, especially in places like Mars' polar regions, where water ice is abundant. If NASA's next missions focus on these icy areas, we could soon find evidence of water that could be used for future human missions. Not only could these discoveries rewrite the history of Mars, but they could also serve as stepping stones for humanity to establish a sustainable presence on the planet. This underground water might be the greatest untold story of Mars, one that's waiting to be uncovered by future exploration. Are we truly overlooking an entire hidden ecosystem that could change our understanding of life in the universe? Could Mars still hide oceans of liquid water beneath its surface? If so, what secrets are they keeping from us, and how will they reshape our understanding of the Red Planet? While Perseverance has already uncovered stunning evidence that Mars may have once supported life, the rover is far from finished with its mission. Mars is a vast and complex world, and there are still many questions that remain unanswered. What other secrets is the Red Planet hiding? What will Perseverance discover next? One of the most significant challenges facing Perseverance is the sheer size of Mars. The planet is twice the size of Earth, and its surface is filled with intricate geological features. From towering mountains to massive canyons, Mars has a diverse landscape that holds the potential for many more groundbreaking discoveries. The rover's mission isn't just about examining rocks and soil, it's about piecing together the story of Mars' past and finding out what has shaped it into the planet we see today. NASA's engineers are constantly improving the rover's capabilities, and Perseverance is equipped with a suite of instruments that will help uncover Mars' secrets. The rover's sample collection system is a key part of this mission. These samples will eventually be returned to Earth, where they can be studied in much greater detail. But even now, Perseverance's on-site analysis is revealing exciting insights into the Martian environment. Despite the rover's successes, it's still early in the mission. Each new finding builds upon the previous one, and we have yet to uncover all that Mars has to offer. From the possibility of past life to hidden water reserves, there are countless mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. The most exciting part of Perseverance's mission is that we are only beginning to scratch the surface of Mars' secrets. What lies beneath the Martian surface? Is Perseverance about to make its most shocking discovery yet? The Red Planet is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. What Mars exploration means for humanity's future. NASA's Mars missions are not just about exploring another planet, they are about setting the stage for humanity's future. As Perseverance continues to gather data, and as scientists prepare for future human missions, the implications of these missions reach far beyond the confines of space exploration. Mars represents humanity's next frontier, a stepping stone toward becoming a multiplanetary species. The technology being developed to explore Mars could revolutionize life on Earth as well. Advances in robotics, artificial intelligence, and life support systems are being refined with every mission to Mars. The challenges faced by Perseverance and the upcoming human missions will drive innovation in ways that are likely to have wide-reaching benefits for industries back home. From advancements in energy production to improvements in medicine, the lessons learned on Mars could directly improve life on Earth. Moreover, Mars exploration serves a larger purpose, inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The idea that humans will one day walk on Mars is a powerful motivator. It reminds us that humanity's curiosity and ambition can push the limits of what's possible, and it brings us closer together in our shared pursuit of knowledge. This collective effort is a testament to the power of exploration. But perhaps the most profound impact of Mars exploration is philosophical. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of the fragility of our own planet and the importance of protecting our environment. Mars missions offer a new perspective on our own world, reminding us that we must care for our home while reaching for the stars. Could Mars hold the key to humanity's future? As we reach for the stars, the red planet may be the first step toward a new chapter in human history. What's next for NASA and Mars exploration? As Perseverance continues its mission on Mars, it's clear that NASA is just getting started. The next few years will be pivotal in shaping the future of Mars exploration. With new missions on the horizon and advancements in technology, the possibilities for what can be discovered on the red planet are limitless. From returning Martian samples to planning human missions, the road ahead is full of promise. One of the most exciting developments in the near future is the planned return of Martian samples to Earth. NASA and its partners have already begun developing the technology needed to bring these samples back, and when they finally arrive, they could hold the key to understanding Mars' past and its potential for supporting life. The process of bringing these samples back will be a monumental achievement in space exploration. In addition to sample return missions, NASA is also planning for human exploration of Mars. The development of habitats, life support systems, and transportation technology will be essential for any successful mission to Mars. These advancements will require international collaboration and the contributions of the world's brightest minds. The future of Mars exploration is a global effort, and every breakthrough takes us one step closer to sending humans to the red planet. As Perseverance continues its groundbreaking work, the world will be watching. The discoveries made by the rover are just the beginning of a new era of exploration, and the questions raised by these findings will fuel scientific inquiry for years to come. Mars is no longer a distant dream, it's a destination that humanity is working toward, and with each passing day, we move closer to the ultimate goal of reaching the red planet. What lies ahead for Mars exploration? With Perseverance at the forefront, we're on the brink of a new era in space discovery, one that could change everything we know about the universe. As NASA continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, the discoveries coming from Mars are nothing short of revolutionary. With each new image, each new finding, we get closer to answering some of humanity's greatest questions. Was there life on Mars, and can humans ever live there? The future of space exploration is unfolding right before our eyes, and if the discoveries on Mars continue at this pace, there's no telling what could be uncovered next. Stay tuned, as NASA's mission on Mars is just getting started, and the secrets of the red planet may be closer than we think. What's next for Mars? Will we discover more than we ever imagined? Stay with us as we uncover the mysteries of the red planet, one image at a time.